Here by the piano on a Wednesday afternoon. I wish I wasn't singing solo. I wish I was singing with you, because you're stuck in my head like the song that just won't leave. Could you do me this one favor? Could you come and sing with me? I'm talking about you, the melody, me, the harmony, just to fun and sing. I'm talking about parallel thirds and singing those words we know. So I love this song was made for two, and if I can't sing with you, then I'd rather not sing at all. The piano can't gather dust, and I guess you'll just be stuck in my head. But instead, come and sing the song with me. The days and the weeks have gone by, I've tried dancing on my own, and I am trying not to wonder if you still know how it goes. Cause when I dance round the kitchen and clap the tunes out loud, then you're still stuck here in my head, and I cannot get you out. I'm talking about hips on with your feet on the roof of the beat, just a fun and dance. I'm talking about silly and cars and dance till we drive and go. Then I'd rather not sing at all. The piano can't gather dust, and now yes, you're just a stuck in my head. But instead, come and sing the song with me. Was made for two, and if I can't sing with you, then I'd